fluffy ones. Next, in order to make the strawberry, start off by taking a square red sheet of paper, and then after this, continue on and then make this diamond-like shape out of it. Now after this, make this diamond-like shape on all of the sides. Pull in either of the side and then taking the pointed edge of it at the bottom, lift it upwards. Puff it all up and then taking the pointed edges, push it inside this and puff it out. Taking a green sheet of paper, cut it up into this diamond-like shape, cut it out, roll the edges and then insert your strawberry into this, or rather at the top of this. Add black dots all around the red portion. Take a bottle and then afterwards take 5 by 5 centimeter sheet of paper, make a curved cut at one portion of it. Now add each of your strips of paper all around this as such in multiple layers. As you are adding the layers, make sure you add as many as possible. Once you remove it, it should look like a rose. Now insert it into the bottle to make it stand. Then afterwards, take the pieces of the mask, separate them and then add it to make it look like a bouquet. Tie a rubber band or a decorative ribbon around it. Now in order to make this, we'll start off by taking 2 ice cream sticks and then take this plastic sheet. Add some lace to the top and then add the ice cream stick to the top and the bottom accordingly. Take some balls of clay, arrange it in a circular shape, add a toothpick line in the middle of it as such. After this, add a yellow center to it and now stick it all about as such. Add the leaves to either side of it. Now taking a yellow portion of it, using a knife, make all of these markings to it as such. Add an orange center to it and then make these markings all about. Add this bouquet-like shape to it, add a bow on top and then afterwards, add these dots all around. Let it hang as a decoration. Next, take a container and then afterwards take a piece of paper. Using a sponge, make these markings all around. Afterwards, cut it out in the shape of different trees, add lines on it using a white marker. Using a black marker, make these tree shapes to it as such. Use a black marker in order to do this for all of them, and then for some of them, use a white marker throughout. After you made your lines for each one of them, now you may begin to slowly stick them on some twigs as such. Continue to do this for all of them. Now, taking some brown clay, spread it at the back of some cardboard paper. Insert each of these tree-like structures to it as such. Now, in order to make this twirling decorative device, we'll start off by taking a stick and then take some circular sheets of paper. We need about 4 of them and then take multiple strips of paper. On top of the circular sheet of paper, insert these multiple strips. Now, take another strip and then add the other end of the strip. Now, add your stick within this and then twirl it as you please. Next, in order to make this worm, we'll start off by taking a sheet of paper, cut out a leaf shape out of it. Now make multiple diagonal folds to it as such. Once you open it out, then you may make a cylindrical shape out of some paper. Add another one to it as such. Now add some glue to it and then stick it in place. Now take a tissue paper, cut it in half. Now make a cylindrical shape out of this tissue paper as well. Add glue to the end of it. Crush it together as such and then make multiple designs to it. Now stick this at the top of it and move it as you please. Now in order to make this, we'll start off by taking a sheet of paper that is square in nature. Now take a 15 by 15 centimeter sheet of paper. Fold over either side of it as such and then fold it almost into half on either side that is left. Reverse the sheet of paper and now using the foldings that you've created. Now after you're done with it, fold over either side of it and then press it together as such. Once you're done with it, press it into a square-like shape on either end of it. Now let it down from the stairs and watch as it flies. Next, take multiple of these seeds and afterwards, insert one into the other as such and then add these twigs at the bottom in order to make the legs. Add grass to it as well. Thank you for watching.